Alright guys, so we're currently headed to Kalani Jewelers. If you guys don't know, Kalani's like the best jeweler in the city. I'm looking for a new chain, so we're gonna see what they have. But if you guys know Kalani, they know they did the Drake piece, DJ Khaled, they did some stuff for Kevin Durant. Probably the best jeweler in Toronto. So we're about to head there right now and hopefully do some damage. Alright y'all, so here it is on Eglinton Street in Toronto. We're about to see what they got.
Pull up and I drop like 10. Pull up and I drop like 10. Pull up with an Instagram model. Ay. Now less than 100K follows. Ay. I'm ballin', I feel like I'm Lonzo. Ay. Fly right straight to Toronto. Ay. I fly right straight to the condo.
Just finished up over at Kalani, guys. Got a little chain, something light, nothing too crazy. Didn't want to go all out. That's it, man. We're gonna head back to the whip now and continue on with the day. So we just got back to the car, and as you can see, I'm rocking the new chain, 10 karat white gold, fully solid gold. Only real stuff here at Kalani. As you can see, we got the nice bag. The price honestly wasn't too bad. Again, this is the best jewelry in Toronto, best quality. Take a look at the box. In here should be the chain, but again, I did decide to wear it out the store. So there it is, the Kalani box right there. As soon as we were filming that clip, the camera just died. But what I did want to show you was the nice traveling pouch right here, again with the logoing. And of course, we have the receipt here as well. As you can see, the price ended up coming to $412. Overall, the experience was really good. The girl working there was really nice, and would definitely recommend getting gold or any diamonds, any custom work done. As you guys saw before, they have crazy clients, NBA players, Drake, DJ Khaled, bunch of artists. So I had to come through really quickly, get something light, something I could wear every day, but maybe we'll be back again with a custom piece. Alright guys, so I was just on my way home, and take a look at this, man. We're just outside OVO Dundas right here, completely shut down. As you can see, the gates are up, absolutely empty in there. I wish the lights were on so you guys could see it, but man, what an end to an era. Anyways, so we're gonna head back home, and I'm gonna catch you guys when we're there.
Every night I move it like a sin. I just put a double cup of lean, if you know what I mean.
Alright guys, so that's gonna do it for today's video. Hope you guys did enjoy. I do quickly want to come on here and do a little bit of a channel update, what's going on with the Instagram, what's going on with the YouTube. So within the next couple months, up and coming till summer, we're definitely going to push out a lot more OVO and Nocta content, but I'm also going to focus up on the vlogs and the lifestyle content as well, because I'm definitely pushing towards that in the summer. Weekly vlogs, daily vlogs, and all that good stuff. So I hope you guys do enjoy. I hope you guys stick around and enjoy the content. Yeah, that's basically it, guys. I hope you enjoyed today's video. Like, comment, and subscribe down below, and I'm going to catch y'all in the next one. Peace.
Every night I move it like a sin. I just put a double cup of lean, if you know what I mean. LV on the gym.